What's up YouTube, Gamecat Devil here, and I'm going to bring you a DVD unboxing. Stay there, Pat. First off, a little update from what I got last week. Got this off eBay. Ring of Honor 50th Festival Philly. There's an obvious reason I got this. We'll see it when we get to the unboxing. Box. Yep, this is my Black Friday order from Ring of Honor. 50% off all these DVDs. Let's get to it. WrestleRave 03, Fight Without Honor, Homicide, and first Trent Acid. Bitter Friends, Stiffer Enemies from 03, Low-Key vs. Dan Math, Homicide vs. Team Corino, Samoa Joe vs. CM Punk. ROH Best in the World, retail DVD. Expect the Unexpected, 50th Festival Liverpool, the 1-year anniversary show, All-Star Extravaganza 1 Remastered, Unscripted Remastered, Survival of the Fittest 04, Epic Encounter 2, Bryan Danielson vs. Nigel McGuinness, Gut Check, this is 2 out of 3 falls, Bryan Danielson vs. Colt Cabana, Glory by Honor 5, Night 1, 50th Festival in New York City, 50th Festival Chicago, 50th Festival Finale, Final Battle 02 Remastered, they taped 2 boxes together, it looks like. So, 2 seconds. Sorry guys, thought I had it open. Alright. 50th Festival of Dayton. Death Before Dishonor 2 Part 1. Weekend of Thunder, Night 1. Nowhere to Run. Final Countdown Tour Boston. Bryan Danielson versus Davey Richards in the main event. Save those for a minute. Final Battle at 3. Reborn Stage 2. Night of the Butcher Remastered. Reborn Stage 1. All-Star Extravaganza 2. This has the 3rd match between Samoa Joe and CM Punk. Obviously, Glory by Honor 8, the Final Countdown. Nigel McGuinness versus Bryan Danielson in the main event. I thought I remember seeing that was a submission match, but I don't see it listed on the back here. It also has Ladder War 2, Eddie Kingston versus Chris Hero. Should be good stuff. Supercard of Honor 3. The rest of the retail DVDs. Greatest Rivalries. Stars of Honor. I already have Bloodstained Honor. I'm going to do a run through of my Ring of Honor collection maybe tomorrow. And of course, the Final Countdown Tour of Chicago and Dayton. I think that's everything. Oh. Then I also got the 2 Pro Wrestling Gorilla DVDs. Keep the keep the P out of our pool, basically. And Battle of Los Angeles 2005. 405 is the 2-disc set. Should be good stuff. PWG. And that's everything. I hope that's everything. I'll have to check to make sure I got everything that I ordered. Anyway, I think it is. It's Game Cut Devils update for today. I've got a WWE update for you coming sometime next week. Maybe after Christmas. We'll see. Until then, I'm out.